Putahin ng ina nyo, Mami Violeta Vlogs, ready for plating. Chicken adobo. Merong sarsa. Ayan ang napakasarap na chicken adobo na merong sarsa. Thanks for viewing Mami Violeta Vlogs. Don't forget to follow my page. Putahin ng ina nyo. Tara, let's eat. Kain na. Have a good meal for today. Thanks for viewing. Bye.